Alrighty, folks. Now is as good a time as any. So, congrats, good job to everyone yesterday. That wasn't on that long. Today, I mostly slept, and I had a little crappy long that I just exited and took a loss on. It wasn't a $200,000 contract, that's for sure. But today was a day of rest. And there's a lot that we could look at. And right now we're in a void. I don't have any trades. I have no positions right now. But there's something I want to go over that if you didn't catch in the live stream, and I left it up. Normally I delete my live streams, but I left that one up for a little bit for a reason. Let's just, okay, here we go. And that is how to identify a pattern to identify when a pump is hitting the top. And so we pegged these 3 candle hairs. I've seen it before. That's why I mentioned it. 3 candles. This was on like the 1 minute, 3 hairs, right? And we were looking to see, okay, we just had a hard pump right here, right? And then boop. Now the time frame's a little bit different, but look, 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. You can't hear me. So remember this. 3 hair. This was just after a huge pump. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can. Here we go. 3, always an important number, right? Those 3 candle hairs. And then boom, this was right after a pump. Look, and it hasn't been, you don't see them really anywhere else. I mean, maybe, maybe you saw 3, that could be close, maybe, but not really. But like, look how it looks like this. It looks like this. There's more space and they're more even. More space, more symmetrical. Look, even in shape and size. Time scale might be stretched out a little bit, but that doesn't matter. In a Fibonacci world, which is reality, time doesn't matter. We make up time. Time is something we made up. Time doesn't even exist. Time doesn't even exist. This could be on a micro level. That's why we look from the 1 minute to the tenure. The tenure. You know what the tenure of Bitcoin looks like? It's 1 candle. Wonder what that candle looks like. We should do a tenure on Bitcoin. So next pump, keep an eye out. 3 symmetrical candle hairs. Look, what? It ain't nowhere else. It's nowhere else. It's nowhere else. I don't see any. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, okay, that was the end of a pump. Look at that. Boom. Look, it went from here. It went from 3,774 down to 3,683. $100 dump. Right? Boom. Now we hit another one. This has been a dump. This is a nice dump. Flopped and groped a little bit myself. There's all kinds of I was seeing all kinds of things, rectangles and all kinds of fish hooks and whatnot. So right now we're chilling, although of course on the hourly. And I'm so we have a little head and spiked type of shoulders. We'll see if it comes down. If it comes down, flicks everyone off right here and then dumps, you bet your ass we can be. This 3,700 number is a real mind. You know what? Scrambles your 8, doesn't it? I can see the tension, feel the tension. So I need to. I'm rest right now. We're waiting for things to line up. People need to not be over leveraging, not trading big positions, and just calm down. Shout out to my whale group. Last night was that was fun, guys. That was fun. You know why? Because we were in a fight all night, and finally the opportunity, stars aligned, boom, we took a big swing, nailed it. And then we had like a little crappy long today, and that was pretty much it. What else is there? What else is there? Just remember the 3 things. I don't feel like going, you know, there's so many people talking about charts and everything. I don't even want to go. I'm sick. I don't even want to see it. I don't even want to see it. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see.